What's up, everyone? Are you looking for the best dash cams to keep you safe and secure on the road? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 dash cams on the market right now. We'll be comparing features, quality, and price so you can find the perfect one for your ride. And don't forget, we've got links in the description below, so you can check them out and see which one fits your budget. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Garmin Dashcam Live. This is a description of a Garmin dashcam with several advanced features, including always-on LTE connectivity, HD video recording, and vehicle surveillance capabilities. Here's a summary of its key features. Always-on LTE connection allows access to live video and sharing of saved clips via the Garmin Drive app, requires LTE subscription. Vehicle surveillance provides location tracking, theft alerts, and a parking guard feature that notifies you of incidents while parked. LTE subscription required. Some vehicles may need a constant power cable. High-definition video records in 1440p HD with a 140 degrees field of view and Garmin Clarity HDR optics for clear video, day or night. Secure video storage. Saved videos are automatically uploaded to Garmin's online vault for easy viewing and sharing through the Garmin Drive app. Voice control allows hands-free commands for saving video, capturing photos, and controlling audio recording, supports multiple languages. Driver safety alerts includes forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings to promote safer driving. Effectiveness may vary with conditions. Continuous recording records incidents with GPS location, time, and date stamps. Multi-camera setup can sync with up to 4 dash cams via the Garmin Drive app for enhanced awareness around your vehicle. Durable design, built to withstand extreme temperatures and conditions in a vehicle. Ready to use, comes with a microSD card for easy setup out of the box. Number 2. Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam. The Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam offers advanced features and high-performance capabilities for 2023. Here's a breakdown of the key features. 4K UHD recording captures stunning video quality in 2160p at 30 frames per second, FPS, and 2.5K at 60 frames per second, providing clear footage even in low light thanks to its super night vision technology. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity connects to both 5G and 2.4 GHz networks, allowing seamless pairing with iOS and Android devices. You can manage settings, view, download, and share footage via the Rove Dashcam app, with over-the-air firmware updates provided for free. Built-in GPS displays real-time speed, location, and compass information on the dashcam's LCD. This data is stamped on the video for extra evidence, useful in case of incidents. Advanced technology. Supercapacitor extends the life of the dashcam, improving reliability over traditional batteries. Voice guidance and alerts provides verbal instructions and alerts for important updates. f1.5 aperture enhances low-light video capture for small details. 150 degrees wide-angle 7 glass lens offers a broad view of the road. Emergency video lock secures important footage during incidents. Loop recording in G-sensor ensures continuous recording without overriding crucial videos. Optional CPL filter compatibility reduces glare for clearer footage. Supports microSD up to 512 GB, offers ample storage for long trips, memory card sold separately. Custom designed 24/7 parking mode includes 3 options for protecting your parked car. 1 frame per second time-lapse video records at a low frame rate to save space. Motion detection and collision detection automatically records and saves video when movement or an impact is detected. Requires a hardwire kit for constant power, sold separately. Customer support and warranty, backed by a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Rove, based in Chicago, prides itself on customer-centric service, offering fast responses to queries via text or email. Number 3. VanTrue N2 Pro Dual 1080p Dashcam. This dual dash cam is designed specifically for rideshare drivers, e.g., Uber, Lyft, etc., and offers comprehensive features for both road and in-cabin surveillance. Here are the key features. Dual lens 1080p recording, captures 1080p video simultaneously from the front, 170 degrees field of view, and inside the cabin, 140 degrees field of view, at 30 frames per second. This is ideal for rideshare drivers, as it records both the road and passengers for safety and potential evidence. Single front 2.5K 1440p dashcam. In front-only mode, the camera records at 2.5K, 2560x 1440p, at 30 frames per second for sharper footage, or it can be set to 1080p at 60 frames per second for smoother video, especially useful in high-speed traffic. Infrared night vision. The inward-facing camera is equipped with 4 infrared, IR, LED lights and an f/2.0 aperture to capture clear footage even in dark conditions. The front-facing camera uses an f/1.8 aperture and 6-glass lens, with HDR technology to balance light and dark areas in the video for enhanced image quality. 24-hour parking mode and auto LCD off. Motion-activated parking mode automatically starts recording when movement is detected. The LCD screen turns off after a set time to reduce distractions. The camera is designed to operate in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. It also has built-in audio recording with a microphone. Loop recording and G-sensor. Continuous loop recording ensures that the oldest footage is overwritten when the memory card is full. The G-sensor detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the footage into a separate event file to prevent it from being overwritten. It supports up to 256 GB microSD cards. Optional GPS function. With the addition of an optional GPS mount, sold separately, you can track driving routes, locations, and speeds. 18-month warranty and customer support. Comes with an 18-month warranty, and customer service promises replies within 24 hours. The dashcam is compatible with both 12V and 24V vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of cars. Additional benefits includes time-lapse photography for capturing images at set intervals and a free GPS player with zoom-in capabilities to capture high-resolution images, particularly useful for reading license plates. This camera is ideal for rideshare drivers, commuters, and families looking for reliable evidence and enhanced safety features. Would you like a comparison of this dash cam to other models?